Hello, good evening, everyone, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 1st, 2023. And this evening I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudokus. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, but you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 6849. Yes, 6849. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are 1's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1's. And 4 1's we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1's. And 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.